how to change USB charging to file transfer. This tutorial shows you how to fix charge-only USB and enable file transfer mode on your Samsung device. First, connect your Android device to your PC using a USB cable. Swipe down from the top of your screen once connected. Now, look for the USB notification that says Charging this device or Android system. Tap on that USB notification to expand USB options. You'll see different USB connection modes displayed. Look for options like Charging Only, File Transfer, or MTP. Moving forward, tap on File Transfer or Transferring Files. Your phone will switch from charging mode to file transfer mode immediately. Your PC should now recognize your device as a storage device. Alternatively, if you don't see the notification, go to Settings. Open the Settings application on your device. Afterwards, search for USB in the Settings search bar. Tap on USB Preferences or USB Settings from the results. Look for Default USB Configuration. Tap on it to change the default behavior. Select File Transfer or MTP instead of Charging Only. Now disconnect and reconnect your USB cable. Your phone should automatically switch to file transfer mode. If the issue persists, try using a different USB cable. Some cheap cables only support charging and not data transfer. Use the original cable that came with your phone if possible. Additionally, make sure USB debugging is enabled for better connectivity. Go to Settings, About Phone, tap build number 7 times to enable developer options. Go back to Settings, tap developer options, and toggle on USB debugging. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you change USB charging to file transfer, give it a like. Subscribe for more Android troubleshooting guides and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.